All right, strawberries are in peak season right now.
We are learning how to make strawberry-inspired cocktails, maybe to go with that strawberry shortcake we just showed you.
Yeah, Demetria Zaharidis, the cocktail chemist, is here to show us how. Love, love, love strawberries. They're so fresh. They're so good. June is the month.
They're delicious.
Yeah.
They're so delicious. My daughter eats them by...
Oh, yeah. I think every household,
it's
they're going
crazy.
through them like
Buckets,
they're crazy.
buckets.
Buckets.
Yeah, so
All right.
So we're gonna do 3 cocktails focused on strawberries.
Okay.
So we have, one we're gonna use actually a strawberry vodka.
Which I've never heard of. I've seen a lot of different flavored vodkas. I don't think I've ever seen a
We
strawberry.
make it at Litchfield Distillery.
Ah, well,
and
there
we
you
use
go.
and we use fresh local strawberries from Ox Hollow Farm in Roxbury.
Nice.
It just distilled with fresh strawberries, and that's it. And we only do it once a year during harvest time. So
Okay.
it'll be out next week.
And it'll taste like strawberry.
Tastes like strawberries. Delicious.
Let's do a shot.
So let's start ripping shots. Nice. Let's do it. So we're gonna use a strawberry vodka.
Don't mind Scotty's done after this.
So we're gonna do 2 ounce,
I know I
actually
have
an ounce and a
therapy at
half.
5, so.
Oh, well, even better. You might need one.
What is it? With alcohol, you lose your inhibition or something?
That's what happens.
Judgment goes out
That's
the
what they
window.
say.
Judgment goes out the
Yeah.
window. All right, what is that?
So
I
we're
apologize.
using an ounce and a half of the strawberry vodka.
Okay.
And then we're using a little Ramazzotti Aperitivo di Rosato.
What's
so it's got
that?
a little bit of orange, a little bit of orange flavor, and some rose flavor.
Okay.
Okay, so it's basically flavors of strawberry, orange, and now lemon?
Yeah. And we're doing a little bit of our, ripe
Right.
lemon sour. So this has our lemon in it. It has our a little bit of sugar, and it has a little bit of water too. So we're doing about 2.5 ounces of that. And that's it. We just give this a quick shake.
Shake, rattle, and roll. I can't wait to try this one. This one's
This
right
is
up
right in
my
your
alley.
wheelhouse. Yep, definitely. So we're just straining it into
The only problem with this is it's not pink, but other than that, you're
It's
good.
slightly pink.
slightly, and we're going to do a little mint.
Yes?
Broke half of
Because
it,
of
but
you.
there we
Now
go.
when I put mint in iced tea or anything,
See,
I hit
you'll
it
do
or
that
I
forever.
massage it. I'm always like, I hear you in my head. Whack the mint.
So there you go. Try that.
And what is this called? Is this called something?
Yeah, we'll just call it a Litchfield strawberry vodka lemonade, I guess.
I
Nice,
will-
refreshing.
I will see the both of you later.
Perfect. Bye.
Okay, so that's basically what it is. It's a strawberry vodka lemonade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
And then, sorry, this has hibiscus. I apologize, not rose. Hibiscus.
Okay.
So now we're going to do a Kentucky Buck. It's basically it's a modern classic cocktail. It's pretty well known.
What is it, a Muller?
This is a muddler,
Muddler?
or a baseball bat, either way.
Okay.
Yeah, you could play some baseball with this or cricket, whatever you want. So we're just going to gently muddle the strawberries. I have a couple strawberries in here.
All right.
And then we're doing, this is a bourbon cocktail. So we're doing 2 ounces of bourbon, Litchfield Distillery bourbon. And then we're doing a little bit, about 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, so it's equal parts sugar and water.
All right.
And 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Can people get the local Litchfield Distillery brews at their spirit shops near wherever they
Yes,
are?
we're
Okay.
in over 1,000 locations
Oh, good. So
statewide.
look for it. You don't have to
we're,
go
we're
out to
everywhere.
the- okay.
Yeah, yep, exactly.
And what is
then
that, bitters?
bitters. So we're doing about 3 dashes of bitters, and that's it. We give this a shake as well.
What bitters give it that?
It's like the salt and pepper for
Yeah,
the bar. You know what I
okay.
mean? It's a cocktail flavor, and it brings out all the other flavors. We got a quick shake.
Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, we got about
Little orange one. Well, good. The next
There
one
you
is
go.
so quick and easy.
And then
because
yeah, the next one
this
we're
is-
basically
maybe
doing,
people like me who want something light, right?
Exactly, just a little bit of an Aperol spritz, but we're just putting some strawberries in it. We're going to give the strawberries just a gentle muddle.
I mean,
we
if
want
you're a
to
bourbon lover,
crush them.
this is a drink for you. It's strong.
Yeah, it definitely is a little bit on the
Definitely
strong
strong.
side. We're doing a couple ounces of Aperol.
Okay.
We're going to do some. We're doing rosé wine.
Rosé wine.
Yeah, a little
Can't
rosé,
get rid of the rosé in my
And
house.
then seltzer water.
and then a little bit of seltzer water.
A new way to have your rosé all day, as they say.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't that
And then we
beautiful?
just give it a quick stir.
So this one doesn't need any shaking or anything.
No shaking, and then we're just
And
gonna
so pretty.
put some ice in there.
Okay, serve it with ice.
Serve it with ice. And usually you get an orange, a whole orange, but I'm doing a little orange peel with this, and we just spray it on top. And
Oh,
that's
and you
it.
wipe the glass?
And wipe the glass,
Isn't
and then it
that
goes right
pretty?
inside.
That is so
And then nice
cool.
and bubbly and refreshing, and using local strawberries is always a plus.
That's fantastic.
So good.
Is it good?
You don't even, I mean, honestly, you would think it's like juice, but it's so good.
dangerous, yeah. You have 2 or 3 of those, and you'll start
Oh my
getting
goodness.
giddy.
I love this. So it's so pretty, and this is so easy to make. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
sticking to
very
this
easy.
one.
Okay.
I'm calling this the Scatini. That's what that is. All right, for these recipes and others, head to Demetrios' Facebook page. Just search Cocktail Chemist.
Delicious. All right.